Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Stock number is A7020. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, full stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.